How's that going? Good. What'd you get that bike for? For Christmas. For Christmas? Yeah. Nice. Are you getting dizzy? Wow. Pretty cool. It's a good thing we have an island, huh? Whoa, whoa! Watch out for your mom! Yeah. Whoa. Watch where you're going. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Ow! You're in trouble now. You're in trouble now.
No, I'm not.
Sure you are.
No,
I'm going to come take that bike away.
Why now? Now or later?
Later. Can you say adios? Don't. Ah! That almost hurt. You're lucky I'm wearing big shoes.